Israelis are incredibly innovative, and your company does a lot of different things. So tell us a little bit about your company and the different projects.
Certainly. So Vayyar was started for detection of breast cancer. Using 3D imaging, we can develop a new modality of imaging as opposed to optical cameras that can, you don't always want a camera in your life. So we can put our sensor in the home environment and be able to track if someone has fallen, for example, in the shower. You don't want to put a camera there, but you still want to be able to monitor if your elderly parent has fallen in the shower. So there's smart home applications. In the automotive industry, you're able to put the sensor in the car to track all around the car, 360 field of view outside, but also inside, track the positioning of people, how many people are in the car. If you've left a baby in the car, you can set off an alarm that way. Many different applications. And here behind me, we have the Walabot. It's one of our products available now for consumers, and it can see through walls.
So when you're saying see through walls, like what does that exactly mean?
So it's taking, we're using radio wave technology. So every product that you see behind me is using the same chip, and it's right here. And what radio waves does, they send out signals into the environment and receive reflections back. Different materials reflect differently, which is how we can look inside of a wall and determine if it's a wooden stud, if it's a pipe, etc.
It's like Superman in a way.
Exactly, we've heard that before.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit about the technology. Like how does it know if it's a pipe or if it's a, some type of electricity?
So what I was explaining with the antennas is that it's sending out signals and receiving the reflections back. And each reflection is different from wood versus metal. And so we've basically taught this Walabot what a metal reflection would look like, what a wooden stud would look like. And so in that way you can use it on a concrete wall or a dry wall and be able to decide, differentiate between the different things in your walls. And you can use some of the different modes to get a different image if you want to map out your wall, if you want to find the center of the stud.
What about with like pipes that like burst, like almost burst, and can detect if there's a hole in the pipe?
So the technology itself can do things like that. The Walabot itself right now is really programmed to find and differentiate between studs, pipes, and wires. But the cool thing is that we often update our application, and it's just a simple software application. So you can have the hardware, and as we improve, you'll also get updates.
Where can people learn more about your company?
You can go to vayyar.com to learn about the parent company, or walabot.com to learn about Walabot.
Thank you.